Dobry dan. Hello, my name is Michael. I'm from Sheffield in South Yorkshire. I sat and watched in horror like most people as Russia invaded Ukraine and now the raging war that is going on in the east of the country. Unable to sit and do nothing, I started by driving humanitarian aid vans in the west of the country to refugee centres. After a short spell back in England, I thought that I needed to do more, so I set off as a self-financing independent volunteer on the 40-hour trip to Kyiv. Shortly after arriving here, I managed to link up with an organisation called Brave to Rebuild, run by volunteer Ukrainian people. They work on the bombed out, damaged houses and apartments like this one that we're working on at the moment. Most of the work is carried out in Irpin and Busha at the moment, north of Kyiv, towns that suffered the most in the early days, and the destruction is far greater than is generally reported. They go in and clear all the buildings of rubbish and personal possessions, and the metal is separated and recycled. The work is hard, dirty, dusty, sometimes dangerous, and tough in 30 degrees Celsius. Despite the damage, loss of life and mass displacement, there is no sense of doom and gloom. On the contrary, we use it as a source of strength, of unity, and to send a message that Ukraine will prevail and no amount of bombing will ever change that. The clearing and rebuilding will take decades, but what matters now is our full and continued support for our friends in Ukraine. When this is all over and written into history, I just want to know that I tried to play my small part, that I did it for the right reasons, and I tried to help people who asked for it. That's all. Buvai, thank you for watching. Goodbye.